I believe that the agriculture of tomorrow will be different from what we see every day at the moment, because we will see more technology and we will see more effectiveness in terms of how we are going to use our resources, and we will try to make the sustainability more and more doable over time. And precision farming is actually going in that direction. It not only wants to increase the quality, but also to make all the process more sustainable from an environmental point of view. What the farmers have understood a long time ago is that they needed to be able to monitor with a higher level of resolution what was going on in their field, but clearly this was not possible. What the technology brought there is the capability to have like virtual eyes and be able to actually follow and monitor what's going on in the field and have real-time data about the state of the field, and this will allow clearly a more like resolute action, and that's what they need at the moment. What we are trying to do is to help the farmer and the agronomist to handle, let's say, the management of a larger scale, doing those work that would be tedious and undoable if you want to scale up in terms of dimension. And also, I mean, it's not like we are replacing job, we are providing some tools to support the work of the farmers and to make it better.